Mwiriwe, amakuru. This is Denise Umuneza, your Kinyarwanda teacher. I'm here again to explain some questions that we use when we are having a conversation. Today we are going to talk about question words. In English, we have 5 most important question words that we use in making questions. Now we are going to have them in Kinyarwanda. Most of my students, they keep asking me, how can we practice conversation? Where can we go to practice conversation? I want you to follow my channel. Every day, we are going to put different lessons about how to do Kinyarwanda conversation. We're going to put Kinyarwanda real conversation so that you can practice. But also, I would like to encourage you, please don't feel shy. Walk with confidence and start talking. Learn the real questions and use them in real life. Today we're going to look at those 5 question words. The first one is who, nde, nde. The second one is what, ichi, ichi. Pronounce ki with chi, chi, soft k. Ichi. Third question word, when, ryari, ryari. This pronunciation is rja, ryari, ryari. The fourth one is where. We say he or hehe, so you can double it, but it means the same. He, hehe. The fifth one is why. Why? Kuki, kuki. Remember ki is chi, chi, chi. Kuki. Those are 5 questions in Kinyarwanda. Now we have examples where we can use those 5 question words. In English, those question words, most of the time, they come before. Means they start a sentence. In Kinyarwanda, they come at the end of the sentence. Urinde, urinde. Who are you? This one you can use, for example, on the phone. When someone is calling you and you don't have the name, you don't know who is that, you can say, urinde, urinde. Or even someone is knocking at your door, you can also say, urinde. Who are you? Uri, you are. Nde. You are who? Basically, that's how the question is. Ichi. Urashakichi. Urashakichi. Urashaka. You want, or you are looking for something. And you can ask, what are you looking for? Or what do you want? Urashakichi. And this one you put together. Every time there are 2 vowels together, the first one is silent. Urashakichi. That's how you pronounce. Urashakichi. Ryari. Ryari. Example. Uragenda ryari. Uragenda ryari. Kugenda, to go. You will go when. Means what time are you going to leave or to go. Uragenda ryari. He. Remember, you can say he or hehe. Ugiye he. G. This is also a special sound. It's G, soft G. Ugiye he. Where are you going? Or you can say ugiye hehe. Remember, you can also double it. Ugiye he. Kuki. Kuki ubabaye. Kuki ubabaye. And you put this together because there are two vowels. Kuki ubabaye. Why are you sad? This question word is different from the others because it comes in front, it started the sentence. While others, they come at the end, as you can see. This one comes at the beginning. Kuki ubabaye, why are you sad? Remember, we are here to practice some questions so that you can have a very good conversation in Kinyarwanda. Remember, we are starting at the beginning, but the aim is to be fluent in 3 months with teacher Denise. Thank you very much for watching. Murakoze cyane, umugoroba mwiza. Bye bye.